Hello everybody, welcome back to Random Reviews, where we review things randomly. Yes. So, I got this popcorn a few weeks ago. My grandma sent it to me. Yeah, that's very nice. It's from thepopcornfactory.com and it's really good. So, this is what it looks like. You get it, it comes with these cool tins. It's part of the popcorn. So it comes with these cool tins. I got sports tins. I saw you could get like an Easter tin or like a snowman tin if it's like Christmas. And it's really cool. So you open it up. It comes with a scooper. So yeah, I really recommend it. So guys, from the looks, your mouth is probably watering. I'm sure you're gonna just right after this video go and buy it. Good idea. Let me rank it for you. 1 lowest, 10 highest. Gotta give it a 9. It was delicious. I got cheese, caramel, and butter. Everything I wanted. You guys can get multiple flavors. Just remember, go to thepopcornfactory.com and you got yourself some good popcorn. So that's it for my first video. So remember, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you next vlog. Bye!